Another common error that we see in Intacct is when a user is logged in and the system is erroring out when they try to do transactions, telling them that their user contact is not associated with an employee. So let me replicate that for you by going into reports. If I try to run, so I'm logged in as an employee user here, and if I try to run a report, it's going to give me this error that pops up and says user ID not associated with an employee record. So you are most likely not going to be able to fix that issue yourself. You'd have to get an administrative user to come in and do a fix for that. And then once the administrator is aware of the issue, what they would do, this is my administrator user now, what they would do is go to company, the admin tab, click into their list of users and find the user that was having the error. So let's say it was Lisa Campbell. I would edit on that user and see what the contact name is associated with the user and make sure that that matches to the employee record. So I have Lisa Campbell here as the contact name for the user. Then I want to go to my time and expense, look at my employees, and make sure that I have the same user in here for my employee. So it would be, so for Lisa Campbell, if I edit on that, then I can see it is the same contact. So it's Campbell Lisa. So there shouldn't be an issue for this particular contact. So this is what it would look like if it was correct. The contact name on the employee record should match the contact name on the user record. Right here. So they should be the same. Otherwise, your employee user, project manager user, or business user, whatever user it is that doesn't have the correct contact name linked here, they're going to have that error pop up for them. So that's the fix for that. Like I said, if you see that error yourself, you probably are not going to have the permission to fix it. You will have to get an administrative user to sort that out for you. So hopefully that helps. As always, like and subscribe.